बिड़ी रे कैसे मिलना कैसा इज़ मेरा फैनम टैग सजाए उसकी बिड़ी रे. Can we try to sing it with proper? Let's try to pitch it with proper.
Okay, proper first time.
Wait, one second. 3, 2, 1, go. Uski bidi re.
No, let's start again. Start with
3, 2, 1, go. Uski bidi.
Sorry. Again.
I have to close my. 3, 2, 1, go. Uski bidi re. Kaise. I forgot the lyrics.
Yes.
No, when I close my eyes, it's more deeper. It's like, are we really serious?
Is somebody gonna match my freak? Is somebody gonna match?
We're getting somehow blindfolding and doing Ria's makeup before GTA 6. Yeah, we started doing this for no
And
reason.
then we went to this.
So today I decided that I wanted to do. She just showed up in my house. I didn't even lock in the morning. I didn't even realize that she's coming. But yeah, I'm going to try to do Ria's makeup blindfolded because I wanted to do one of these like challenge videos for the longest time. Because if you lived in like 2016 YouTube era, like doing challenge videos with your friends is like the biggest thing before like vlogging came in.
I thought this makeup blindfold thing was like a thing now.
Oh, is it?
I think I'm living under a cave, okay. Really.
But many bodies.
It's giving Subhash. Me and my friends, I'm living under a cave. Subhash would know about 2016 memes.
To make this challenge as truthful and as honest as possible, I decided that I won't be using my makeup because I know how my makeup is shaped and I know exactly what I'm using because I've been using the same makeup for like 3 years. I asked Ria to bring her makeup, so she actually has a lot of good makeup, like.
But I can't do it like her. So I actually, you know what? I'm gonna do one for you too.
I'm gonna try to do Ria's makeup with her makeup, but blindfolded.
Okay.
Every Muslim girl has at least like
this-
10 of these at home.
Oh yes, bro. I have
burqa
a
shawl. Tie me up. Tie me. Locking in, guys. Finally.
Okay, we locked it. Locked.
Amma.
Now we need to see if she actually logged in.
I locked in.
Or if she's a cheater.
No, I'm locked as if.
So emotional. No, please, I'm locked.
Okay, like show fingers or something.
I started showing that. It still shows. I showed long back to show or something.
Okay, where is the makeup pouch?
It's already like.
Okay. This is her eyeshadow palette. This is Rare Beauty. Wow.
What do you mean? Oh, I don't know her makeup.
To make this challenge as truthful and as honest as possible, I decided that I won't be using my makeup. I need eyeliner. What the hell? Okay, we have mascara, roller thingy. This is a brush, I think.
Wait, more up.
I don't know what the hell this is. Like,
Skibidi.
I want eyeliner. What the hell? Eyeliner, finally. No, that's some kind of lip gloss or something like that.
Lips gloss.
Lips gloss. எனக்கு தலை வலிக்குது. What the hell? I went to the entire.
What the hell? What is wrong with you? You won, brother.
You won.
You won. Oh shit.
I found it. Is it? I know a colossal liner when I've been using it for like 3 years now.
I broke.
This is your.
Yeah, that's my ears. That's my ears.
Okay, come here.
This is where my eyes are. That's wrong. Dude, that's my ears.
Hey, can you shut up and all? Do this and all, please.
Who said you can make your rules?
Please, just shut up. I just need to feel you. Oh my god, where did I leave the bottle? The bottle! I left the bottle somewhere! Riya, can you please help me? Riya! Okay, fine, fuck it. Come here. You have it in your hand, no? Dude.
That much.
I don't want to find where the eyeliner is.
Bro put eyeliner for how many years in a row?
Oh, can you just show me where the eyeliner is? Please.
How many years did you apply eyeliner for? How many years? This is 3 years of eyeliner, guys.
Anything my eyes hurt.
So dramatic. I can see. Oh, please.
Please, no.
Please don't.
Okay, I need to put this back. Do you want me to
Since
just
you
put
said
it right
correct.
here?
No.
Then give the bottle.
Oh, buddy. Smart animal, buddy. This is raging. Bro punished me real bad.
I found it. Come.
Wow, nice, great feeling. Put in my ear also. Put near my neck. Put here. Underarms.
Cool powder. Oh, my dad used to say, like whenever he used to shower me when I was a kid, no. Instead of armpit, he'd say amkot.
Why is he shy to say arm?
I have no idea. And then one day to my friends, I went and said, yeah, like your amkot, like
Go! What's an amkot?
And then they were just like, there's no such thing as an amkot. And I'm just like, no, my dad says it all the time. That was the first time a man let me down.
How about inside my nostril also then?
We're moving, Riya.
You're only moving. Put some on my teeth also. Jokes!
Jokes,
buddy.
Ambane.
Hambare, ಅದು off take.
Checking what this is.
It's eyeliner.
It's definitely lipstick.
I have mascara, but the real challenge is getting it.
Should I poke you?
You poked me, pokey.
Can I get your eyeshadow palette?
She's real eyeliner akka feeling.
I need like a gold. How do I assess that?
She just like went off at my face. I'm real dark circle feeling.
Shit.
Eight.
Hey, I found the doctor.
Eight. Why is this feeling? You can proceed. I gave you the face also. Okay, let me just.
Why is it kind of soft?
Just started cuddling. Bro thought she was doing something majestic. Yeah.
Duplicate Indian.
Karnadi mone.
എടാ ഡ്യൂപ്ലിക്കേറ്റ് ഇന്ത്യൻ കഴിവർവാ മോനെ.
Are you finishing all your anger at me? Yo, my name is Bella Hadid. That is real intimate feeling.
Ace Ventura.
Are you ready to see what you've done?
Yes. Yes, chef. Because I cooked.
Yeah.
I looked at it. Whiskey beauty. Hey, why is the liner kind of good? Hey, the liner kind of fire though. It's round 2, folks. Except Ria is doing my makeup. This was not part of the plot.
Watch me eat that up. Watch me eat that up.
I gave this bag which has like mostly my lip stuff. This is all my eyeliners.
Wow, bro.
Yeah.
You got this many eyeliners?
Yeah, but like half of them
That's
are
why she
dry.
can do like dosha liner. And
Yeah,
like,
that's true. Like I'm gonna just take off all the blades from here. Good luck finding everything.
Don't good luck me, eh? Sulfuric acid. Why are you cute?
Don't say anything. You can go ahead, buddy.
No, that's not the rule.
Oh, I make the rules, Ria.
Oh, what Uno reversa you think you're doing?
Yeah. I'm real rich feeling right now.
Yeah, Machi, yeah. Why? I don't know why. All the figures following my. Oh, I am real rich feeling. You are poor feeling.
Pankaj, I know you're silent laughing. I know you're silent laughing.
Arya, it's actually.
No. I don't want your actually.
Actually.
Buddy, please, buddy. Please.
What the hell is this, buddy? Oh, she's testing and all.
Tester.
Tester, yes.
Chill out, buddy.
What are you doing, girl? Are you like intentionally doing it? Bro's
Yeah.
just taking this opportunity to play with my face.
Intentionally doing this like crazy look for you.
Yeah, I bet.
It's actually wild.
It's actually wild, yeah. It's eating. It's eating.
ചുമ്മാ പറയല്ലേ?
Chumma pareve.
Eating, huh?
Yeah.
It's real starving feeling. Don't be scared. The silence is giving anxiety. You drop. This shit easy. This shit easy, though.
Oh, crazy.
It's crazy, huh?
It's crazy.
It's crazy.
It's quite.
It's actually good.
Yeah, it's actually like damn.
ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞില്ലേ ഞാൻ ഈറ്റ് ചെയ്യുമെന്ന്.
Neat
ഞാൻ
jam.
ഈറ്റ് ചെയ്യുമെന്ന് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞല്ലേ.
Neat jam.
ഞാൻ കഴിച്ചു.
You cultified that.
You can say
max.
hey, can I tell you I'll tell you one Malayalam sentence you try to repeat it, okay?
Okay, done.
ഗുഹകളിലേക്കുള്ള വഴി ഗുഹകളിലേക്കുള്ള വഴി ഗുളി കഴിച്ചു.
I'll tell you one Malayali joke.
Tell.
ഒരു ആൾ ഒരു നിമിഷം
ദോശ ചുട്ടായിരുന്നു. പെട്ടെന്ന് ആ ദോശ പറന്നുപോയി. എന്താ കാര്യം? അതൊരു പ്ലെയിൻ ദോശ. What is this?
Your mom. JK, I love you, Mumtaz aunty. ചെയ്യാണ് പുകി.
എനിക്ക് മനസ്സിലായി. What is 4 in Malayalam? 4.
4 plus 8.
Thanks, buddy.
I should really say thank you for this.
Really, it's that nice, huh?
It's damn nice.
That nice. This shit easy, dog. This shit easy. Sticking on the yard for the wrestler.
So skibidi. You're so fan of that. So my camera died, so we're recording this on Ria's phone. I will bring you the products just because you're having technical difficulties.
Bro, I'm real smart feeling. Hey, what did I apply? Mascara only, buddy. Oh, crazy precision, bro. Oh shit, crazy. Bitch. Okay, I'm done. I'm scared I'll hurt you.
Yeah.
Okay, we're done. Can I see?
You're done now, buddy.
Done, buddy.
Yeah, everybody, like, this is Ria's makeup look for me, and I think personally, this is the most 8th my.
I want to see. You're yapping so much.
I told you it makes you anxious.
Actually, like I was thinking.
Yeah, thank you to my mom, thank you to my dad, thank you to Mumtaz auntie, thank you to the dinosaur who died and made fossil fuels that we can come here. Thank you to God. You ready, Rizla?
Okay, wait. I have to do the. I have to look down.
No, thanks, buddy. I really enjoyed it.
I thought I ate.
You put kajal over here.
And I put lip liner over here.
You put lipstick, bitch.
That's on your cheeks, sir.
You put lipstick over here.
Lip.
Mascara also you put lipstick only. For real, tell me who ate this challenge because like look at how glistening, glowing her face
But
is.
look at how much like more versatility there is in her makeup.
I was kind of giving you like a simple makeup look. You went all out. You were giving avant-garde.
I wanted
It was
you
giving
to,
Vogue.
I wanted
Vogue
to,
adicha. End of the day, it doesn't matter if you're blind if the other person's also blind because this is the blind leading the blind. And then also the most important thing is the spirit of friendship, the spirit of makeup, the spirit of Subhash. That this experience has really enriched us about how I'm a rage maxer. Okay, buddies. I will see you later. I hope you enjoyed this video because I enjoyed filming it like max. Bye, buddy.
Bye.